thank you for watching. Welcome back. So today I wanted to do an unboxing of my January Boxy charm. I just got it in the mail. Ooh. So January's theme is a clean slate. Start the year with a clean slate. Welcome to the year 2025 when living in the future calls for a return to the basics. Only better than ever. Let's see what's inside. Wow, there's a lot of products in here. There are 11 products in this box. That's insane. First we have the Biro New York Peach Kombucha Tea Purifying Clay Mask. Purify, Balance, Refine. I've really been excited to try this brand. I've purchased a ton of the products at the end of the year sale, and I've also received a few in the boxes that I did order when I started my subscription. Ooh, it's so pretty, the packaging. Also, check out my nails. Just got them done. Shout out to Trish at Imperial Nails. She did such a good job. Next, we have the Ofra Midi Palette Blossom Blush. Ooh, they're like berry colors. Pink Satin, Pillow Talk, and Paradise Pink. So cute. Then we have the Alfalfa Glaze Long Wearing Hyper Glow Primer. Oh, a primer. Alfalfa, ashwagandha, yerba mate, and watercress. Wow, so earthy. Oh, we got a little mini. The Plush Tint Benefit Moisturizing Matte Lip Tint. Open her up. This is in the color 202 Cream Puff. Oh, it's so cute. A little tiny. Ooh, it's actually really pigmented. Cute. Okay. Then we have the Pear Nova Bronzer and Contour Stick. Okay. I have been wanting to try one of these dual contour bronzer stick combos. I have a few videos in mind of like hacks. So let me know if you want to see that. This is in the color medium. We've got the cooler toned contour side. And let's swatch that. Ooh, so buttery. Okay, and then we have the bronzer. Yay! Those are awesome to travel with too, because you just throw them in your bag, you're ready to go. Then there is the Gloss Modern Clean Perfume and Nouvelle Amie. It's heavy. Let's see what she smells like. Ooh, Gloss Modern. I've never smelled any of their perfumes. Okay. It's very fresh. It does smell a little powdery at the end, a little powder finish. Not my favorite type of smells. I'm a gourmand girl. I love vanilla, chocolate, tobacco, decadent. I want to smell deep, sweet. An abundance of aquatic lily of the valley, a light springtime poetic bouquet of innocence, purity, and joy. Yeah, it's a little powdery for me. The Noto. Then we have the Noto Deep Serum for face and neck. Ooh. Yes, let's see what you look like. Ooh, and the color, I think matches my outfit. See that? Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, this smells tropical. I cannot wait to try this. The Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. A little mini guy. Perfect for travel. Okay, so we have the Volition Smillion Overnight Retinol Serum with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Smell this. No smell. very milky. And we have the Roller Lash from Benefit. Okay. I've actually never tried this mascara. I am a tried and true fan of the L'Oreal Paradise Lash. Oh wow, look at that. It looks like, that's weird. Like a roller, I guess. See, these brushes I don't love. I love a big fluffy brush, so we'll see how this goes. Then we have the Dr. Babber Clean Performance Awakening Eye Cream. You know what? I think I did some add-ons to this order. Let me check that for you because I feel like I added this on. I don't know if these actually came in the box, but I'm pretty sure I added this on. This is the Awakening Eye Cream. And then we have the Super Goop Sunscreen, a little tiny guy, SPF 40 Unseen Sunscreen. I love their bright yellow packaging. It's just so happy. That'll be great to throw in your bag. I live in Florida, so you always need sunscreen. This is awesome to keep in your purse because you never know when you're gonna get stuck sitting outside in the sun and before you know it, you're sunburned. And that is what was in my January Boxy charm. If you like my makeup look, I just filmed it. Believe it or not, it's Dollar Tree right here. Leave me a comment below on what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.